Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Newsom and I'm the Vice President of Sales for JLM Energy. Today I'd like to give you a quick overview on our company, our products, and what we have to offer. I'd also like to thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy. As I'd mentioned, the name of our company is JLM Energy, and we're an energy technology company focused in three areas, and that's saving our customers money, improving the environment, and reducing our dependency on oil. And we achieve that through developing products and technology that either deal with energy generation or energy conservation. A little bit about us. We're a team of engineers, architects, entrepreneurs, and customer-facing professionals all dedicated to the research and development of products aimed at reducing the energy expenditure of our commercial, industrial, and residential customers. So I'm often asked, why JLM Energy? Why would my organization be interested in partnering with yours? And I always say it comes back to the three P's, which are our products, our people, and our partners. With regards to our products, we don't believe any one individual product is going to address a customer's needs when it comes to energy generation or conservation, and that's why we take the full portfolio approach. All of our products within our portfolio have differentiated features from the marketplace, and of course we spend a heavy amount of time in R&D to create those innovative products. We also have one single platform where our entire portfolio of products can be installed and monitored in real time. With regards to our people, all of our products are designed and developed by JLM engineers and manufactured in the U.S. with our manufacturing partners. We also have our own engineers and architects on staff to help from concept to installation. With regards to our partners are truly the cornerstone of our business, and it's how we introduce our products to the marketplace. We spend a great deal of time in sales and marketing activities with our dealers. So this next slide is a mock-up of a building showcasing the different products that we have. The first product that we'll touch on is the Zephyr. The Zephyr is our urban arrayed wind turbine, and what I'm going to do is share with you a little background on how this product came to be. So before we went to market, we first examined the marketplace, and what we saw intrigued us in that there were a lot of small rooftop wind turbines and larger wind turbines that had been brought to market. However, they were all basically the same thing, standalone systems running back into one inverter or tying into a battery or a bank of batteries, making them not cost effective. Aesthetically, a lot of them were big and bulky in design. Noise, vibration were concerns as well, simply not something you would install in a residential or commercial setting. So from a manufacturer standpoint, that intrigued us because we knew if we could develop a product that was aesthetically pleasing, that could be deployed in series and produce real power, there would be a huge market opportunity for such a product. So a little over 3.5 years ago, we assembled a team of engineers and technicians, and we went out to develop the product that you see here today. And what I'm going to do is quickly speak to the video and talk about some of the features that you see. So the entire system has the ability to track 360 degrees and follow the wind in any direction. We've also developed a furling feature, so in high wind speeds north of 35 miles an hour, the entire system will furl backwards and go into a self-preservation mode. What we're doing here is we're diminishing the surface area that's encountering the wind. This, in conjunction with an electromagnetic braking system, will slow the system down and keep it in control so it can continue to harness energy and produce power during heavy wind speeds. The blades of the Zephyr are made out of an ABS foam-injected composite material that's been UV treated and specifically designed for a residential or commercial setting where noise or vibration would be concerned. The entire system's been sealed in epoxy and powder coated, and anything that's not sealed in epoxy and powder coated is made with stainless steel. The next slide I'm showing you is a side-by-side comparison between wind and solar. In certain areas of the country, wind's going to outperform solar, and in certain areas it's not. The next product we'll quickly cover is the Geyser. Geyser is a solar thermal product, and essentially the way it works is it uses the sun's radiation to heat water so that whatever fuel source the customer is using to heat that water currently, they simply don't have to use as much of it. For years, the commercial sector had been really underserved in three ways, and that was reliability, scalability, and flexibility. So what we did to address those problems is we've equipped each channel within each collector with a precision temperature sensing device that measures the temperature flow at both the inlet and the outlet. That information is conveyed back to a wireless microcontroller that's embedded within each collector. We've also equipped each collector using an energy harvesting technology with the ability to generate and store its own energy to run its internal components. So essentially what you have with this system is a system that can be deployed by the hundreds that can communicate its situation and well-being to the system's owner in real time, allowing them to pinpoint issues as they may occur. The next product that we'll touch on is solars. Solars is our PV offering, and what we've done that's unique with this is we've given the system's owner the ability to combine it with wind. As you know, the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow, but by combining both technologies on the same string, the customer has the best of both worlds. Through our monitoring capability, we also give them the ability to monitor the entire system as a whole, or each individual turbine within that series. The next product that we'll cover is Energizer. Energizer is our backup battery solution, and it was really designed for people that want to be independent from the grid. There's also a certain population that live in areas where the grid's less than reliable or have high demand charges. PV is only going to generate energy about 5 hours a day. Wind blows at random, but of course energy is required at all times. Energizer is basically a platform where the power from the utility grid, the energy that's produced with your wind turbines and your PV, and the energy that's stored in with your batteries are cohesively brought together in what is essentially a box of electronics that measures 32 inches tall, 16 inches wide, 9 inches deep. This, in conjunction with a bank of batteries, gives us 6 different storage capacities and a nice clean interface for the customer. So we have our standard on and off switch. We have our inputs for the power utility to the left, renewables in the middle, and the output for the essential loads on the right hand side. They're also equipped with AC breakers for protection and safety. The next product we'll cover is luminaires. Luminaires is our portfolio of LED lights. LED lighting can reduce energy consumption. It's 2 to 3 times more efficient than traditional lights, and we can also reduce maintenance costs due to the life expectancy is 5 to 7 times greater than traditional lights. We also have the ability to reduce a building's cooling costs because less energy is wasted in the form of heat. What we've done that's unique with our LED lights is we've developed state-of-the-art heat sink technology. We manufacture lights that cover 250 watt to 1000 watt replacement models for HIDs as high as 2500 watts. So not only are we giving a customer more efficient lights, but we've also made them controllable and dimmable, both individually or zone-based. So you're giving a customer complete control over how they use those lights, which can certainly impact the overall efficiency. Through measures, we also give the customer the ability to turn the lights on and off from a remote location. The last product that we'll touch on is Measures. Measures is our cloud-based monitoring software platform where we can bring the entire portfolio of products together. So presuming a customer has installed the Zephyr, the Geyser, Solars, Energizer, and Luminaires, they can literally go to their computer and access their entire system to see how the entire system's performing, how each individual product line is performing, or drill down to each individual product within that product line. So it gives the customer complete visibility into how that system's performing in real time. It's also map-based, so if a customer has multiple locations, they can simply click on that location and see how that system's performing as a whole. The next slide we're going to go over is our overall process from concept to installation. So what we want done in the beginning is a basic interview with the customer, and we simply want to understand what their goals are with the project. From there, we'll take a look at the architectural and financial merits of the project. Presuming they make sense for the customer as well as for us, we'll do a detailed analysis. We'll take a look at the detailed placement and production calculations for that product. And then we'll take it to our design phase where our architect will put together renderings, schematics, and then do a detailed proposal, plan development, and then package all the documents that's required to get the permits from the building department, and then work with you and your licensed contractors to complete the installation. So as we briefly touched on before, why JLM? We don't believe any one product is going to address a customer's needs when it comes to energy generation or conservation, and that's why we take the full portfolio approach. All of our products within our portfolio have differentiated features from the marketplace, and they're all developed and designed by JLM engineers, manufactured in the US with our manufacturing partners, and we also have engineers and architects on staff to help from start to finish. We spend a heavy amount of time in R&D creating innovative products and consistently looking at the marketplace to evaluate ways we can create more innovative products, or in some cases a new technology if the market opportunity is there. With our dealers, again, they're the cornerstone of our business and how we introduce our products to the marketplace. With our master dealers, we spend a large amount of time and effort on sales and marketing activities. We also have one single platform where a customer can install and monitor the entire portfolio of products. And then we also have an internal finance division. So presuming money is the only thing holding a customer back, we can step in and provide financing for that customer, presuming they have the right credit profile and of course the financial wherewithal to pay us back. It's also a way for us to stand behind our product and convey to the customer that we believe in our products and we believe in the technology that went into our products, or we certainly wouldn't offer this as a solution. As I had mentioned before, we only sell through dealers, and some of the key attributes that we look for in our dealers is, of course, experience in renewable energy. We're looking for somebody with a sales-oriented organization, a deep commitment to customer service who can represent us well, and of course the financial wherewithal to effectively promote, install, and support JLM's products. We're also looking for somebody that's passionate about new technology, and most importantly, we're looking for a long-term mutual commitment. Well, that concludes today's presentation. Again, thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you.